In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Recovery Gmail. First, you need to open Google Account Recovery. To do this, go to your web browser and type in the Google Account Recovery page. This page is essential for those who have lost access to their Gmail accounts. You will see a clean layout with a focus on recovering your account. This is the starting point for getting back into your account. Remember, it is important to access the correct recovery page to ensure the safety of your information. Once you arrive at this page, you are already on your way to regaining access. Next, click on the option that says Forgot Email. This is a vital step because it directs you to the help you need for retrieving your Gmail address. When you click this, the screen will change to prompt you for more information. You may feel a bit anxious, but rest assured, this is a common process that many users go through. It's designed to help you recover your account efficiently. Just keep your focus on the next steps to follow. After that, you will need to enter your recovery phone number or recovery email. This step is crucial because Google uses this information to identify you. Make sure to use the phone number or email that you previously linked to your account. The screen will display fields where you can input this information. If you have both options set up, choose the one that you feel is most accessible. This will significantly increase your chances of recovering your Gmail address successfully. Once you have entered your recovery details, the next step is to enter your full name. This is an important piece of information that helps Google verify your identity further. Inputting your full name as it appears on your account will make the verification process smoother. Pay attention to spelling because even a small mistake can complicate the recovery. After entering your name, click on the next button to proceed. You are making progress and soon you will be one step closer to accessing your account again. Now, prepare to follow the verification steps provided. Google will guide you through this process, which may include receiving a verification code via text or email. This step is vital because it ensures that only you can access your account. Follow the prompts carefully and make sure to enter the code accurately when it arrives. If you have any issues, double-check your input to avoid unnecessary delays. Completing these verification steps confirms your identity. Finally, if your identity is verified, Google will show your Gmail address. This is the moment you have been working towards. Your Gmail address will appear on the screen, allowing you to access your account. This confirmation is reassuring, as it signifies that the recovery process has been successful. Take a moment to note your email address if needed, and feel free to use it to log into your account. You have taken significant steps to secure your access, and now you can continue using your Gmail as before. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has helped you understand how to use Gmail recovery effectively.